that's true, what's harder for the Democrats to fight?
Well, it's going to be very hard for Rubio to make the argument in Florida. If Meeks makes, if people in Florida get to understand
Meeks, by
that,
the way, is the Democratic candidate. Go on.
if they get to understand that Rubio coming in means we're cutting your entitlements, we're going to cut your Social Security, we're going to cut on the things that you've come to depend upon in Florida, especially in Florida. You know, I mean, there are a lot of older folks in Florida. You know, it's referred to as God's waiting room.
What people know right now, what people know right now, though, Joe, is if the state's out of money, it's not going to fall out of the sky. You see, before the recession, it seemed like the money fell from the sky.
Government, and I don't mean to, I like a little bit of pity here.
I'm just asking.
Government to people like Joe. Okay, I'm sorry.
Well, no, that's okay. But I just want to get Joe to answer this question. So if what you're saying is true, well, where would the money come from then?
Well, for one thing, we haven't seen how healthcare will play out. Okay, we haven't seen how healthcare plays out. The states don't print the money. The states have to balance
federal
budgets.
Entitlements here,
and the states are responsible for their budgets. So it's going to be it's that dichotomy that you see with Tea Party rallies where they say no more government, but don't touch my Medicaid, don't touch my Social Security. You can't have it both ways.
I think American people are growing up. Government is no longer about handing things out. Yeah, I'm going to go with Joe.
Well,
we're going to say,
that's interesting comment.
We're going to cut back your entitlements. But if we don't, America, you can look at Greece and you can look at California and see your not too distant future. Go ahead and get out in the streets of Coral Gables and throw bottles into banks.
That is so much nonsense.
I would beg to differ with you on this point about Greece. We can do more than tourism in this country. Greece got in trouble primarily because it only has one or two ways of making money for the entire country.
I disagree with you.
Come on,
Greece got in trouble because
taxes in Greece.
Well,
they're renowned for not paying their taxes. 80% of the wealthiest people don't pay. Just don't pay it. They say I make 13.
Sound like Americans don't want to pay their taxes. Of course we do. We just.
I will say that there are a lot of people who don't pay taxes who should be.
When he makes that argument, he's making the argument that it's not a spending problem, it's a taxing problem. Well, here's the strength of my argument. I don't need to just rest on Greece. I can go with Portugal, Italy, Spain. I can go closer to home. I can go New York and California. When the students in Sacramento and LA go on the streets and protest the lack of subsidized education, there's your future. Cut back on entitlements or get to the streets and start whining.